Hello everyone, this time I will share an important information about how to find out the specifications of a laptop or PC in an easy way. Before starting, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button, activate the bell and press the thumbs up after watching this video. The first way is as follows. Open File Explorer, click on this folder icon or press Windows+E on your keyboard. Then right-click on this PC and select Properties. Here we can see some details of the specifications of our PC or laptop. But here are only a few detailed specifications that we can see. To see more fully, we proceed to the second way. Press Windows+R on the keyboard, then type DXDR. Then enter. Wait a minute, the process is running. Well, here it is. A Windows default tool called DirectX Diagnostic Tool appears, which contains all the details of the specifications of a PC or laptop with more complete information than the first way. Very easy, right? Good luck. If anyone has a question, you can write it in the comments column below.
Wow.